Hey, what's up, you guys? I thought today I would walk you through every single stage of a very unique screen printing project that we have today. We are doing a lot of promotional products for schools, and one thing, open house week, open house for this particular school is on Thursday, and we knew we were not going to be able to get these pencil pouches in time if we order it through a vendor on Sage. So what we ended up doing instead was ordering these on Amazon, and we are going to try to screen print them in-house. Only little thing I'm slightly worried about is we got this little doohickey here, but I think if we can line this up somehow with this hanging off, we'll be able to screen print it just fine. It's very vinyl-y like material. Actually reminds me of the camping chair screen printing project that we did. Y'all might remember that. I ended up drying the ink under the flashing unit for the camping chair. So obviously a camping chair is not fitting through this conveyor dryer here. This one, we do have the option of running it through the conveyor dryer, but just to have more control over it, I think I might dry it with the flashing unit, but who knows? We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna take you along the ride of making the screens and everything, the design, and we'll see how it turns out. That's funny.
So a lot of different things you have to watch out for.
Yeah. Maybe. I wasn't quite able to capture the entire process. I would say it overall went really well. The biggest trouble that we had with this project was the fact that it's a pouch and it can open up like this. So, and it was a 2-color job. So that meant when you lifted the screen up, it opened up the pouch. And so when we went to do the orange, it wasn't 100% lined up, but the end result actually looked kind of cool and it worked out just fine. I think if it really needed it, it would have been ideal if we used like a double-sided tape on the inside. That way it can't separate from each other, the pouch, and then take that out at the end of it, or have a pallet size that kind of works well for this project, which we just simply didn't have. But all in all, we were able to accomplish what we needed to accomplish. And open house is today, Thursday, and they're able to sell these. So it all worked out really well. Thank you guys for tuning in on this unique screen printing project, something that we've never done before. And I will see you in the next one. Take care.